Availability, availability, availability. That is my motto. Carroll Parker, single copy sales winner for Carrier of the Year for the Fort Worth Star-Telegram. If you make our product available, if you throw it in the customer's face, they won't have any reason not to buy it. If you're doing everything you can to make it available, then they'll buy your product. For example, I have one corner shopping center had one rack in it when I started. It now has 4. Is that overkill? Maybe a little, but it's available at every shop. Nobody has to go searching for a newspaper on my particular route. It's available to the customer no matter which one of those shops they're going into. I currently have 115 locations. It differs from day to day. During the week it's anywhere between 550 and 625, and then on Sunday approximately 900, give or take a few each Sunday. The largest daily location I would have would be the General Motors assembly plant there in Arlington. The largest Sunday location I have would be one of my grocery stores, Sack and Save would be the name. We currently have 9 locations there in the General Motors assembly plant, 5 on the outside and 4 on the inside. So we made some major progress at General Motors. We started with the 5 racks. When I first took over the route, it was kind of the locations were at the end of the route, so we were missing the sales because they work in shifts. So I rerouted the route initially, and we're picking up all the sales from the second shift as well as the third shift, as well as the first shift that comes in during the day. We recently went inside after some negotiations with General Motors labor union, and things are going well there. We're probably at about 35 to 40 daily sales now, additional sales, not just replaced sales from the outside. I have a lot of Asians on my route. It's the Asian section of Arlington actually, and I don't think anybody had ever aggressively approached them, but they like the coupons just like any other American, and so we're in several of the stores there and have probably about 10 racks throughout that entire Asian market. I had run into a friend of mine who had a route and said that there were some opportunities in the Arlington area, so I applied for a home delivery route, and they called 2 or 3 weeks later, and I was on a route within just a few days. I stayed in home delivery, I guess, about a little less than a year, and the opportunity for single copy came available, and that's really my expertise over the years, has become single copy, and I made the switch and don't regret it at all. I am president of my neighborhood association, which keeps me extremely busy. I write periodically. I do some reading when I can, and in the springtime I work in my yard. I started, I think, on a Friday. And I have a huge delivery van. I was fortunate enough to pick one up for a song, and my manager thought that I knew what I was doing and let me go out on my own, and everything was cooking along fine. And Sunday came along, and I had made about 10 stops, and because the van was brand new and I had not run the route in it or not delivered anything in it yet, when the gas gauge says E, that's what it means, and I ran out of gas my very first Sunday, and so it was a pretty funny deal at the time. Sorry, I had to throw that in there. Whew, way too serious here. You can edit that out. We just had a new carrier start in our zone, and she's come to me a couple of times, and the best advice I've given her so far is to start small, to get the basics, get the basic delivery down, before you start any kind of major anything.
A wonderful employee, does a good job every time, on time, always brings the news with him. Rag never empties. He comes in 2 or 3 times a day.
The challenge, the personal challenge of upping the circulation through my personality and the sales calls. I truly enjoy making sales calls. And I've had pretty good, knock on wood, I've had pretty good success with getting us in to all different types of locations. So I enjoy that. I'm a people person, and I truly enjoy the camaraderie that I've built between myself, representing the Star-Telegram, and the customers.
Carroll Parker is one of, if not the best distributor I have ever seen. And this is why I think he deserves this nomination as TCMA's single copy